Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. This is Samrana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making fig jam today, and this is I soak water last night, and it's roughly about 6 hours. And then early morning, I try to make this is a 3 package. I don't know, I didn't measure because I'm going to measure the cups, and this is a total is 16 cup, 2 jug, and then 4 spoon for lemon juice in there. Put good for half an hour, just cooked medium. And then after I put 1.5 cup honey in there. That's a pure honey. um I preferred honey. If you like sugar, just add sugar in there. I just put honey in there. They taste much better, and even the color looks nice. It's a healthy, it's I make for home, it's not for business, and very easy to make. If you like, just add a bit citric acid in there as well, half teaspoon. I forgot to show for that. And after, if you wanna do pectin in there, go ahead, but I didn't do anything, any pectin or anything, because it's already go thick by itself. I just cook little longer, and now it's ready to go in the jars. And I just pour everything in the jar, and mashallah, I make almost 7 8, I think 9 jar. After you seal it in hot water, give the bath, or because I have this lid automatically sealed, I didn't give a hot bath for this month. 8 kind of large and 1 small jar. And if any question, let me know, feel free, and then I help you. And this is very tasty and healthy jam. You eat with bagel, bread, toast, or crackers, anything. Do you like? Give me permission to leave. God bless you, everyone.